sing with you?
You really want to?
Yes, I want to. But there's one song I want to sing. I want to sing "Tie a Yellow Ribbon Round the Old Oak Tree."
But there's a bit of a problem.
Why?
Because you have to be my wife if we're to do that. And then you have to change the lyric.
Oh, I've changed the lyric. Don't worry. I've taken care of all of that.
Well, this I gotta hear. Can we try it?
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Oh, baby.
Sad song, you know.
I know, but I just feel like dancing.
But happy ending.
Yeah, right.
I'm coming home, I've done my time.
Oh, I'm glad.
Now I've got to know what is and isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you'll know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me.
I do, and I think I know what to do.
Okay.
Well, I'll tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. It's been 3 long years since you've been with me. I'll tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. So don't stay on the bus, don't forget about us. It's there for you to see. I'll tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Woo! You dance too.
Didn't think I could, did you?
Huh?
Listen here.
Right.
Bus driver, please look for me, 'cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see.
Don't worry.
See, I'm really still in prison, and my love, she holds the key. A simple yellow ribbon's what I need to set me free. So I wrote you, and you tell me please.
Okay, listen.
Talk to me.
Well, I'll tie a yellow ribbon round the old
That means you want me back, Lou.
It's been 3 long years since you've been with me. Well, I'll tie that yellow ribbon around the old oak tree. So don't you stay on the bus, don't forget about
No
us.
way.
It's there for you to
What's
see. I'll tie our
You're a
yellow
dirty little old
ribbon
wife, you know that, don't
round
you?
the old oak tree. Hi, girls.
This is what happened to me
Tell me.
on the bus. Now the whole damn bus was cheering, yes they were,
Yeah.
'cause they couldn't believe what they see.
Who do they see?
You tied 100 yellow ribbons around the old tree. Thank you, love.
My pleasure.
I'm coming home.
Woo, sing it, girls.
They'll sing, we'll dance.
Okay.